So it gave us more visibility and much more productivity. If I was to describe Odoo in one word, as a CEO, I would say informed and better decisions.
Peace of mind.
Reliability.
My name is Daniel. I'm the executive director at Zeitgeist. We're a small manufacturing to retail company for fashion and apparel, primarily Western wear, European wear. We specialize in manufacturing a very large number of products. I heard about Odoo interestingly while talking to a friend during the pandemic because, during 2020, all businesses were focused on digitization. And as a small business, we'd actually been working on digitizing the company, but, you take baby steps in the journey. So I was speaking to a friend of mine who was in the industry and I said I needed a flexible system, something that was cloud-based, something that covered, the entire business since we do a lot of different things. And, during that conversation, my friend mentioned, okay, here's something that's coming out of Belgium, Odoo. And specifically, one of the problem points at the time was setting up a system that connects the front end to the back end. And I want to be able to replicate that across a few other businesses, so that's how it started. So we were using multiple solutions actually. We were using something else for our inventory and point of sale. We were using a second solution for our accounting and purchase, and we were actually using one more for our HR. They were all disjointed. We had different apps that were not talking to each other. So the challenges we were facing were obviously, there was a lot of reporting related deficiencies that we felt we didn't have enough sort of transparency into the business. We didn't have enough internal controls. We actually didn't have enough flexibility because we were growing and we didn't have the right sort of platform framework to grow on. We were using three actually different softwares for different areas of the business. Retail inventory was separate, HR was separate.